Well, nagising na po ang FEU dito sa match, and after losing yung first 2 sets, they take the 3rd set.
Well, tignan mo naman, partner. Now, 12 attack points na nagaling sa FEU. Philippine Army, 13. Isa lang ang nilabang. Kaya naging maganda for FEU itong set na to. Pati yung service, tignan mo, 3 excellent serves coming from FEU. Isa lamang sa Army. Pero sa blocking, doble. 4 sa Army, 2 sa FEU. But good enough.
And actually, Army committed again more unforced errors, which is towards the end of that 3rd set, and FEU talaga took advantage.
And yun ang maganda. It's actually yung character na pinakita sa atin ng FEU na binalik na nga halos yung starters dun towards the end for Coach Rico. Pero hindi man sila natakot, di ba? Lumaban pa rin. And they eventually won that set.
Well, Mary Jean Balse and Michelle Carolino back. So Coach Rico will not take any more chances here in this match.
Yung posisyon doon ni Pons for defense, mukhang pumasok siya ng todo. Kaya Michelle Carolino, easy taking. Well, Palma now with 7 points in the 3rd set. Yun na nga nakapanalo sa kanila. Torres also with 4. Sa kabila, Dakis with 4, Alarca with 3.
Ang mga top performers natin. But you know, we really have to mention ito si Palma tsaka si Pons, no?
Yes. Philippine Army with 10 digs. Itong FEU with 6. Dapat susunod sa coach no, Coach Mac?
Thumbs up. Well, off the block for Team Army. Back to first 6 to para kay Coach Rico. Pero you know, it's an irony lang what happened in the 3rd set is pinasok nga niya, like you said, si Tina Salak and Jove Gonzaga sana para tapusin, and yet na-extend pa to a 4th set.
That's right. And then kasi nga, hindi nawalan ng loob ang FEU. In spite of nakita nila, binalik yung starters nung bandang huli. Alam naman nila na dahil doon yun gustong tapusin
That's right, and Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
That's the character that I found na pwede naman pala gawin itong FEU. Pwede naman pala lumabas sa kanila. Diba?
That's right, and Gonzaga with that kill. But you know, for me, that 3rd set against Philippine Army pretty much summed up yung experience dito ng FEU. This is their last game, but they showed and proved sa sarili nila na pag lumaban sila, a team like Army, kaya nila kunan ng set.
True.
Diba?
Tama. And imagine what that brings to their game individually and as a team.
That's right. And with that, medyo dapat please na rin si Coach Shaq na na-prove na rin na.
Nakasmile na. Nakita ko.
That's right. Well, Army right now trying to do their own onslaught, and Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Carolino. Pons. Down the line.
And see, now I think yung mga atake ng FEU, mas iniisip na nila. Ngayon nakikita mo, hindi na yung basta pakalaw lang ng palo na sinasabi ni Coach Shaq. Finally now, I think they're getting the hang of things and trying to look for those open spots. Paano sila makakascore.
So the moral is makinig nga sa coach mo. That's what Coach Shaq told the girls.
So yung Coach kanina pa.
Oo.
Oh, Giselle C. Perfect timing to do that dump.
That's right. And you know, even with the first 6 of Team Army, FEU is keeping this 4th set close, 4 serving 5. Torres, a revelation for Coach Shaq.
Digging that one.
Carolino, Salak to Dakis.
Dakis in between 2 defenders.
That's right, that was Agno and Torres.
I'm sure si Coach Shaq naman, alam naman niya yung talagang mahirap kunin or mahirap paluin. Alam naman niya yan. Kaya lang ayaw niya yung nagtatapon ka. Di ba, no first set tayo, tinapon na spikes. Yung second set naman, nang nainis siya kasi nga yung depensa, wala talaga at all. Walang opensa.
That's right, pero ito sa totally different FU squad, no? Nung 3rd set, nabuhayan talaga. Gonzaga. Oh, misreceived.
Oh, still good. Still playable.
Well, actually, it did hit the antenna, but the referee did not call it. Well, here in the fourth set, Army kind of mad coming back, and they find themselves ahead 8